All right, hello guys, welcome into a new live stream. Today is the 25th of February. It's the third week into this series, so I'm pretty excited about it. Last session we had our first loss, so we're gonna try to do our best today to recover that. All right, so I'm gonna show you the market overlook, and then we're gonna dive into the trades of today. So last couple of sessions, it's pretty interesting. So this big consolidation area that lasted a couple of days finally broke down with a really aggressive impulse, as you can see here. This was the first one, then the second one, then the third one, and then a slight fall off. So where are the main volumes of this impulse? Well, we can see they're on this price level, so around 60.30, right? So right now we are pretty below that. We are around 6,000, also psychological level, so it's pretty interesting. And yes, so what's going on? Well, the chances of today continuing lower are pretty high considering the last sessions. Sellers were totally in control of these sessions. So yes, a short today would probably have a slightly more edge than going long. But one thing to take in consideration is that when there are these sort of sell-offs, usually the price after one or two sessions tends to bounce, right? So I would not be surprised if today the price would bounce and maybe get back into this 60-30 area. Pre-market, you can see here, basically flat. We're down 6 points, but yeah, nothing crazy. So yeah, we're opening flat. So usually with my scalping strategy, I prefer when the market opens with a gap, right? Because I have a more biased view. In this case, when the market is flat, it's always a bit tricky to understand the sentiment and the pressure, and especially coming off from two very strong days. So yes, it's not going to be easy to take a trade today, probably. Another thing, I don't trade on Monday and on Wednesday because I'm busy with the university, so I cannot trade in those 2 days. So yeah, that's why yesterday I didn't trade. But yesterday there were pretty good opportunities, I guess. I mean, you can see here, yesterday, right off the open, the sell-off started pretty heavy. So yeah, yesterday there was a pretty nice short to take, maybe on this candle right here, on this rejection. Yesterday there was a really good trade. But yeah, anyway, let's focus on today, right? Also, now that I'm looking better at it, you can see here. So this area right here, where yesterday we bounced once, 2 times, 3, 4 times, and then we cracked it pre-market this morning, coming right back in pretty strong, went below again, went above again. Yeah, so this area around 6,000, yeah, as I said, it's pretty important psychological level, so it's gonna be pretty interesting. So the idea today is that if we get above 6,000 and we hold it, we might consider a long breaking pre-market highs, maybe breaking 60.10 and a half. Instead, if we consolidate below the 6,000 level, we might look for a short continuation breaking 59.80 and beyond. Yes, so this was the analysis for today. Let's see what the market gives us. All right, I'll put the screen back in place. There it is. All right. So markets open in less than a minute. So we are ready to go. All right, let's set everything up. All right, 30 seconds to go, and we are ready. As you can see, still pre-market. Market claimed 6,000 back, so that's positive sign for maybe a potential long. Look at this week right here, at this shadow on 6,000. That's pretty interesting. We might wanna look for a long right off the bat. All right, market opened, and we're ready to go. All right, opening right at 6,000. That's really interesting. Let's see. Claiming 6,000 back. Testing it. Went down. Broke 6,000. Tried to break through. Couldn't quite do it. Reclaimed it. All right, I'm in long. We reclaimed 6,000 level, and we're looking for a long continuation here. Stop loss pretty tight, and yeah, let's see what happens, guys. We need the market to really start pushing up. The delta is positive, 300. That's pretty good. We are up a point-ish. Let's see if the market wants to push up a bit, encountering a bit of resistance at 602. That's not a good sign. Claiming back 6,000, selling imbalances right now. All right, struggling to break 6,000, and it looks like the market wants to try to break lower. One more time. Still below 6,000, and we got stopped out. All right, the long didn't work out. Pretty good rejection up there. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wait for a bounce here, and maybe I'm gonna take the short side, right? So let's see. Pretty heavy right now. Look at that. A lot of selling imbalances, negative delta. All right, that's a good short sign. Let's see if we can take a sell market, maybe around that 6,000 mark. Yeah, probably around here. Yes, stop loss up there and take profit down there on the lows of the day. All right, we're in for the short. Let's see if this one it's maybe a bit more lucky. Look at here, volumes around 6,000 again, countering the resistance. Now market's shooting up again. All right, it's pretty volatile. That's why I don't like flat days. I'm pretty close to stop loss right there, and we got stopped out. All right, this is the second stop loss of the day. We're not starting very good. I'm gonna give myself another chance probably. But right now the market is really gnarly. Look at that, now it's shooting up like crazy. Okay, so this was pretty negative delta, negative 1,000, and then there was a positive 1,600. So it looks like the market really shifted that perspective that this candle gave us to the upside, right? So buying imbalances right there. Look at this candle. Look at where the volumes developed. Right in the middle of the candle, around the 6,000 area. And as soon as it broke up, boom, buying imbalances, and the price is shooting up like crazy. Delta is going up like crazy. another buying imbalance is showing up. Right, so today's is gonna be a bit different from the other days. Yeah, I'm gonna wait a bit more to take the third trade, hoping that's gonna be a nice TP. It's gonna be at least more than 4 points in order to be break even. Because my stop loss is usually 2 points, so I took 2 stop losses, so we are down 4 points right now. Let's see, I want to see probably, like, my idea right now is maybe to get long around the 6,000 mark, so around here, with a stop loss at 59.97 below this volume area right here. So let me mark that. I want to stop below this area, and my long to be in around this area right here. So if we can get maybe a short candle testing these levels right here, that would be pretty interesting. Let's say still a lot of buying imbalances. All right, market struggling a bit around 605. Pulling back. I would like to see selling imbalances here going into those buying imbalances and get all absorbed. That would be pretty nice to see. All right, look at that. The delta on this candle is 700 positive, and the candle is actually pulling back. That's an interesting sign. Also this one, positive delta, negative candle. Bunch of buying orders getting in. Okay, we might go for the break right now. Yeah, I think I'm tempted to go in long right now. Yeah, but I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. This is not part of the strategy. Yeah, I'm not gonna do it. Yeah, I wanted to get long maybe around here to catch the break of the day, but yeah, it was not a good trade. All right, market is ranging a bit, so we are getting out of our trading hours. Usually I trade the first 2-3 candles of the market, but today they were pretty unpredictable, let's say that. I would like to see, so right here, right, all those buying imbalances, now they're trapped buyers. With this candle, they should get out here, and I am gonna buy market as soon as the candles get down here. So now it's pretty interesting, because up here at 606, 607, there are a lot of trap sellers. All right, that's great. I'm gonna get in here. That's our entry. TP is all the way up there. Say 610. Yep. Look at that, 606. A lot of orders getting in here at 6,000. Those buying imbalances got filled, and right now I think it's time to reverse and to push higher. Let's see if the market wants to follow this, or I'm gonna take the third stop of the day. That wouldn't be nice. All right, so keep testing that level. Pretty interesting, 599. Oh, we are breaking through it. It looks like we're breaking through it. Yep. Selling imbalances also. Pretty close to the stop, yeah. Alright guys. Well, today wasn't I mean, it wasn't that that good of a day. We took 3 stop losses, max loss for the day reached, and yeah, I mean, I just wanna stick around a bit more to see where the market goes actually, because it looks, pass me the term, it looks pretty squishy. I don't know, like really low volume, a lot of buying imbalances, and look at that now is, oh, that's pretty sad. Look at that, positive 1,000 delta shooting up. So we got stopped out for 1 tick and the market went in our direction. That's unlucky. That's so unlucky. That would have been a great trade. My God. Let's see if we can break through it. Yeah, no problem at all. 7 points. I mean, come on. 2 very unlucky days in a row. Absolutely. Now, I really want to see if this can break through or not, because it looks pretty much looks like we're bouncing around a lot. We're not going anywhere today. And this is minus 1,000. Look at that, plus 1,000, minus 1,000 delta. Yeah. Oh my God. Oh my God. You know what? I mean, let's be objective for a moment, right? So let's go back. I want to see if you can catch another trade, just for educational purpose only, right? So open higher, boom, big negative candle, engulfed that, made new highs, rejected, boom, back, bounced back up, rejected again. Look at this area right here. Look at this area right here. A lot of rejections up there. Boom. Look at this candle, pretty strong. 1,200 delta, boom, 1,300 negative delta. I think this thing might gonna drop back off. So I'm gonna try to take this short, and our TP is gonna be on the low of the day. Actually, this is gonna be a continuation. Yep, down there. Because I mean, look at this, the market structure right now. Look at the market structure. Well, even if we get stopped out, yeah, that's I don't care. This is just educational purpose only, right? And we're probably gonna get stopped out. Yes, we are. All right. But yeah, what I'm saying is that this thing is really gonna I think it's gonna end up lower, or just gonna bounce around like crazy, stopping all my orders. I don't know, because yes, we got rejected here 3 times, but we also got rejected down here 2 times, so we're in a bit of a range right now. But this looks like a big engulfing candle, right? Another trade. Let's try it this time. As I said, this is not real trades, so yeah, I wouldn't take this with real money. It's just, you know, to mess around a bit and to test new things, right? Let's see. Yeah, so this was the rejection. Let me grab the pen for a moment. Okay, so I can walk it through better. Let me open this. This is gonna be a longer video than usual, so if you are here, if you got to this point of the video, I mean, subscribe and drop a like, because yeah, doing this every day is not easy. It's not an easy journey, but I'm doing it for y'all, and I'm doing it also for me, obviously. because this is my passion, right? All right, so I'm gonna walk you through here for a moment. So this is what happened. So as you can see, we opened up. Oh, this. Sure. All right. So we opened up higher, broke the 6,000 level. This looked like an absorption because look at here, a lot of volumes, and this, boom, broke lower, negative 1,000. Then next candle, boom, positive 1,600 with really low volumes, really low volumes on this candle. A lot of volumes here on the 6,000 mark, but nowhere else on the candle. Made new highs, and we got here. We made a high, we made another high, couldn't break, got rejected lower, bounced off those buying imbalances. That was the trade that I would have liked to take, but we got stopped out for a single tick. Then came back on this area, and then boom, this happened. So yes, this was a really good entry actually. Let me delete all this. So yeah, studying the market structure here is really interesting. This was pretty clear. So rejection here, impulse lower, bounce, you get in short here, stop loss up here, and TP down there. Now we are breaking the low of the day right here. Yeah, and this impulse looks pretty good. Delta on this side is still positive on the day, even though we are 5 points negative. So yes, buyers are buying, but the price is actually falling. So that's a bearish sign. And when the delta also inverts, yeah, that's going to be very bearish. So let's lower the stop. Now the stop goes to break even. And let's see if we have that final the final impulse that is gonna break this and take profit. Here it is. That's what I'm talking about. So we are up 8 points. Even though I don't think even if we take this TP, we're gonna be positive on the day. Or maybe yes, I don't know. So we took 3 or 4 stop losses. And if we take this, it's gonna be 1 TP. I don't know. Depends if we take it. Because look at here, big volumes here. See if we can drive it lower. 59.25 here. Touching it once. We're very close. We need the pressure. Here it is. Speed on the tape. Here it is. Imbalances right here. Huh. I mean, really? Single point? Are you kidding me? All right, I'm gonna close this trade here. 9.75 points. Let's see if we are positive on the day. I cannot see it. Anyway, I think we are positive because we took, let me check, executions. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades. Yes, so we took no, wait. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5 trades. We took 5 trades. So 4 stop losses, 2 points per stop, 2 equal 8 points, and 1 TP times 10 points equal 10 points. So net 2 points profit. All right. Anyway, this is a little brief of what happened today. And yes, so we are actually in profit, but we didn't follow our strategy. Our opening scalp strategy today failed. And yes, that's pretty interesting because we had very good results when there were positive or negative, big gaps from the open, and we had really negative results with flat days like today. So that's very interesting. That's a thing to mark on my trading journal and take in consideration for the next sessions. Anyway, this video lasted too long. I'm gonna leave you. Let's see you in the next one. Bye.